So during this episode, I want to talk about walking the walk and talking the talk. So last episode was more about walking the walk, right? Hey, you want to be an overlander? There's certain things you gotta have, right? Gotta have, you gotta have ditch lights. You gotta have recovery gear. You gotta be up and up on the newest, craziest gadgets, traction boards, max tracks, rooftop tent, or some cool ground tent. Also, awnings. Gotta have an awning. But now it's all about talking the talk. And so I have 10 words and phrases that if you want to be an overlander, you got to put this in your dictionary. The Overlander dictionary. Let's call it that. 10 words and phrases. Hey, John with LXPlore. So, everybody has their own lingo, like a CrossFitters, right? Sometimes you go into a CrossFit box, you're like, holy crap. Like, what are they talking about? It's like a whole nother language. Like you say box, and you're like, whoa, what do you mean it's CrossFit Box? Or they have AMRAP, or Metcon, or, WOD, the workout of the day. Overlanding pretty much has like the same thing too. So, words that would describe you as an overlander, not even words that would describe you as an overlander, but words that are phrases that you would use as an overlander. Number 1, rig. You have to use the word rig. Because you might own a Toyota Tacoma, a Dodge pickup, Ram, whatever, or a Land Cruiser 100 series, 80 series, a Jeep, 4Runner, but you must always refer to it as your rig. All right, number 2, gear. Now, I think that the word gear is actually derived from the Latin words of camping gear, recovery gear, cooking gear. So yes, you must refer as a blanket statement, especially when in conversation and asking somebody, hey, what kind of gear do you have? Then people will know what you're talking about. Number 3, so whenever you're out with your rig and you're with your crew, and that'll be another one, and you're taking photos or video, you cannot refer to that as photos or video. It's content. Because inherently, since you're going to be an overlander, you're going to be posting all that stuff to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever social media platform. So from now on, it's referred to as content. All right, number 4. So when you refer to your group of friends or anything, you got to refer to them as your crew. Friends, family, see? There's my crew. Yep, it's crew. It's not your friends or family. It's crew. Driver, your other driver. Yeah, if you say that, then you know you're an overlander. Wrong. It's called deploying it. Seriously, did you hear what he said? He said opening it. If you want to be an overlander, you'll use the word deploy. When you pull the refrigerator from the vehicle on its slide, yeah, you're deploying the refrigerator. Check this out. I deployed that door. All right, number 7. Number 7 is a rig walk around. those pesky truckers and off-roaders, they think a rig walk around is all about safety. But in all honesty, a rig walk around is, hey bro, what do you got? Tactilian. That's what I got. Do you see my 23-0 awning? I got that too. That's a rig walk. Hey, what are you cooking this on?
Scottle.
Scottle.
Scottle. Timbo test.
Yeah.
Scottle. I don't know.
You have to say scottle.
Scottle.
That's it.
That's it.
If you want to be an overlander, gotta say scottle. Comms. Yeah, you gotta say comms. You can't say, hey radio, or your CB, or your ham radio. You gotta say, hey man, what comms are you running? If you don't say comms, you're not an overlander. So the 10th word or phrase to ensure that you are an overlander is to actually say the word overlanding. So you can't say camping, I'm going on a road trip. You gotta say, hey, I'm going overlanding. Hey, what are you doing this weekend? Let's go overlanding. That's the last and final one. And actually, if you skip 1 through 9 and you only do 10, you're there. You're overlanding. All right. So hey, leave a comment. Add some phrases that maybe I've forgotten. You know, I'm a rookie overlander, I suppose, and I don't know it all. So leave me a comment. Thanks.